Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new lesson, that is social justice. What is justice? It is Justice is not that I am doing good with my friends, I am doing bad with my enemies. No, it is the well being of all the people of the country. It is with the well being of all the people, then it is social justice. So the ruler of the country should see that the all people are being well seen. All the people are being getting all the things what they need for their survival. So, and ensuring the well-being of the people, including giving his dues, whatsoever is the requirement of the person must be given to that person. So the justice involves giving each person his due. If we are giving the due respect to that person, if we are giving the due facilities to that person, naturally that person will be able to develop his goals as well as his achieve, he can develop his goals, and he can understand the meaning of justice in a better way, so he can achieve whatsoever he needs. So German philosopher Kant said human beings possess the dignity. They, if all the persons are granted dignity, then they have the opportunity to develop their talents and pursue their chosen goals. If they are being given the equal, all the persons are granted dignity, naturally they will be able to achieve their goals and able to develop their talents also. So if in the one line, if I say what is social justice, then I will say the justice requires that we give due and equal consideration to all the individuals. So that is known as justice. When we give the, what is that? When we give due and equal consideration to all the citizens, then it is known as social justice. Now first point we are taking for social justice, that is equal treatment for all equals. All the people are equal, all the human beings are equal. So that's why equal rights are being given to all the people. Maybe these are the civil rights, maybe these are the rights of life, liberty, property, political rights like right to vote, and other social rights, they are being given equal to the people. So what is the principle? Principle is that treating all the people equally. They should not be discriminated on the basis of caste, color or creed. So what is that? Example is given to you. If a male teacher of a schools get a higher salary than a female teacher, then the difference would also be unjustifiable and wrong. What is social justice? That if they are doing the same work, they should get the equal wages. Number 2, proportionate justice. This is very interesting. Proportionate justice means people enjoy equal rights and they should be treated equally. The state should not discriminate against any person to treat everybody can be everybody equal can be unjust. If the government discriminate any person, so it will be unjust society. For example, it's a very good example. If the students studying in class 10th, they are been attempting one paper and they all have attempted the paper, so is it possible to give all of them 90% marks? No, it is not possible. Who will give the good marks? Who will gain the good marks? Naturally, whose attemptation is good, who has produced the good quality of the matter in that exam. So the marking will be done according to the presentation, according to the attemptation of the students, what he wrote in the paper. Accordingly, he will be given the marks. So what is the total? If we ask, say, the workers, so workers also should be given the wages according to their work, or according to the quantity of the work, according to the quality of the work. So thus it is very much fair and just that the different kind of work should be rewarded differently. Okay, so that's what is known as proportionate justice. Recognition of the special needs. Indian Constitution provides right to equality to all the citizen. So the state has made the special provisions for the women, children. Moreover, the state can make special provisions for the welfare of the advancement of any socially or educationally backward classes, not for the women or the children, but all the category, all the people who are marginalized, or maybe they are socially educationally backward class people, maybe they are scheduled caste, maybe they are scheduled tribes. So the author Nobel says a very good line: the society cannot stop the rain, but it can build some umbrella so that these all the people uh, can be put safe under that umbrella. So in many countries, the age, age and the physical disabilities are considered on the grounds of special treatment. They are being given the special treatment. Now next topic that we are going to do, that is just distribution. To achieve social justice, society might have to do more than just ensure that laws and policies treat individuals in a fair manner. Laws and policies treat individuals in a fair manner. That is, means whatsoever the laws are being there, whatsoever our policies are being there, they should treat all the individuals in a very fair manner. Social justice also concerns just distribution of the goods. Goods means the things. They should be equally divided between the nations, or between the different groups of their country, or individuals within the society. If there are serious economic or the social inequality in the society, means some people are very rich and some people are very poor. Social inequality means some people are belonging to the different caste groups. So it is very much necessary to redistribute all the resources of the society to all the people equally. Is it clear? Equally. Suppose we are living in a society where all the categories of the people are poor are been also living, the people with the less resources are also been living. So one playground can be made over there, so all the children can play over there. So the resources should be distributed in such a way. In our country, the constitution abolished the practice of the untouchability. Why it was abolished? It was abolished to create social equality among the people, that, and next is that they people should come to the level of the other people. That's why certain privileges were given to them, like the reservation of the seats were given to them, these scheduled caste and scheduled tribes, and in some of the state they introduced the land reform system also. The land was also distributed to the people who were landless people. So this is seen as necessary for each person to be able to pursue his or her objectives and express herself. What is necessary? Social justice, or the equal just distribution of the resources, is very much necessary for the good society, for the just society. Okay.